prove that that lot is a multiple of 4. So what I want as an answer is whatever I get, I've got to be able to take a factor of 4 out of it. That proves that it's a multiple of 4. Okay, let's work it out and see what we get. So we've got to stretch both these brackets out. Well, we've got 2 lots of, guess what? Multiplying out. First of the eyebrows here, we get equals. This is 9x squared. Underneath, 3x plus another 3x is plus 6x. And the last eyebrow, plus 1. Now I'm going to put this all in a square bracket, do the multiplications, which involve minuses as well, and then we'll have to change the sign of everything. So we've got 9x squared, underneath negative 3x and another negative 3x, which is negative 6x. And then negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Now let's take that square bracket away. This is negative 9x squared plus 6x minus 1. Now the fun starts. The positive 9x squared will cancel with the negative 9x squared. The positive 1 will cancel with the negative 1. So what are we left with? We're left with just 6x plus 6x, which is 12x. And that's easy enough. I can say that is 4 brackets 3x, which means whatever this number turns out to be, if I multiply it by 4, it will be a multiple of 4. So I can say this has been proved as required. And that's your answer.